are at Don Pedro
Or Pablo.
or Pablo.
That's Sherry. She's joining me.
Gonna try a little Mexican food here.
Look, I'm trying to open both.
Oh no, you only need to open one menu. Hi. I cannot with you.
It smells like a construction worker that just got off. All this musty onion.
Ooh, but it's good though.
Yeah.
We're having salsa,
Dang.
and it's the salsa, and it's got onions and everything in it.
And cilantro.
Yeah. Got some chips. But it's good though, Sherry.
Good thing I like stank things.
Sherry just said that we have stalkers.
These two black men just came in and they already been eyeballing us. The people had the nerve to put them right across so they get a full view. Show them what they had been. And now we gotta have to eat cute.
Not me. Ain't gonna happen. I have the chicken quesadilla. Rachera? Rachera. The children.
Oh, you spit.
I had to show it.
What's that?
Refried beans.
No, what is this?
Oh,
This part.
This is the-
quesadilla.
this is the quesadilla.
Okay. And I got chicken avocado with rice and beans. No cheese. Make sure. And no sour cream. Because if I had that, everybody would pay later. Go ahead.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
Oh, come on
now. Wow. And now for the Spanish lesson. Here's Sherry.
What do we have here? It's tres leches cake. That means it's three times the cake, I guess. Then we have dulce de leche cheesecake. That means double milk. That's all I know. And I can pronounce this correctly. Flan. Better call it flan. I do have a small box.
You're finished? I am. It was so good. Somebody didn't finish their food.
Gonna salsa and salsa, salsa, and salsa cake.
No matter where we go, something just goes wrong.
Nothing went wrong.
Nothing went right.
We full. Works for me.
Somebody don't know how to wear their lipstick.
This music is killing me.
You guys want to see the decor of the restaurant? It's very nice. I'm just gonna pan up here a little bit. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah.
Two separate bills.
Yes. This animal. This song is kind of worse than the other ones, but yeah.
Thank you. Gracias, señorita.
She just wanted to get in the shot.
I know. She seen the camera. I was like, I'm gonna be a movie star. I'm gonna be Selena.
This is the room.
Okay.
The one, this room too.
Okay. Thank you. Very nice staff here too. Oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it. Oh.